When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell the work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Alright, what is up everyone? We are currently about to start a challenge video. In a couple minutes, I'm going to be going live on Instagram, and you guys will be calling the shots for me. And if I don't land the trick, based on the difficulty level of the trick, I'll have to do 1 to 5 push-ups for each trick I don't land. Crisscross peg hop. Jump from pegs, crisscross. Alright, let's start off easy. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try Deathspin first. I landed that. I count it. I'm gonna flip it so maybe you can see. I'm not sure. Oh shit, I dropped it. Alright, I'll do 3 push-ups. Alright. I almost had it too. Knee switch. Alright. Good enough. Light work. Just knee knock over bar. Alright, bet. No! Damn! My foot slipped on the pedal. Alright, we'll do 2 push-ups. Went peg to seat. Peg hop. Alright, cool. We'll do 3 hops. No! Oh my god, I gotta give myself like 2 tries for these. Some of these, the wind just be hitting me. You drop the crisscross, then peg hop to land. Alright, cool. I'm gonna give myself 2 tries on this trick. Because the wind be hitting me. Yeah. I need another try for that. Go this way. No! Alright. 3 push-ups. Tries. It's hard with my phone there. I might need to move my phone to the middle. Alright. Attempt number 2. Oh my god. Jump to seat. All right, cool. So let me see a touch. All right, I got you. Alright, it's rolling. Oh. Alright, good. Jump the crisscross the peg, then jump to the crisscross. Corey, you gotta go. Corey out here trying to kill me. I'm gonna try to jump the crisscross on peg though. Oh, I got that. I still got that. I'm confident now. I feel like I can do it. Oh, there's a truck coming. Let's go! I got it back, baby! You guys have no clue how happy I am right now. I've been trying that trick since September, after I got injured. Haven't landed it since. Just got it. You know, switch to seat stand to knee. Oh, alright. Oh my god, my pant got caught. Right here. Last try. No! 1, 2, 3. Knee knock, switch to a crisscross. Alright, cool. No, switch, crisscross. Done. Alright, done. Oh my god. And I landed it. Perfect. Alright, this is the third time someone requested this trick, so I'm gonna try it again for the third time. Shit. Knew I would land it. Knew I would land it. Of course I did. It's my trick. Oh my god, I just slid out. Foot drag to a seat stand. I got you. Ah! Alright, we got a trick. Alright, cool. Throw me a shot real quick. Alright, I got one more try. Whoa. Alright, last trick. Knee switch. Oh shit. Hold up. Can't go out like that. Refuse to go out like that. But hey, I didn't land it the first time, so I'll give you 2 push-ups. Alright, if you guys like this challenge, then let me know if I should upload more of these challenges or something along the lines of these challenges. Just comment below what I should do. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're out.